we have point C that we have taken 2 comma negative 4. So we have taken three vertices A, B, and C, and we have here the vertices 2 comma 3. B is your negative 1 comma 0. C is your 2 comma negative 4. So now we will put the formula here. The formula for area of a triangle, your area of triangle, triangle triangle, is equals to, formula is little in length, so I am going to write it here. That is 1 upon 2 bracket open, that is your x1 bracket open, your y2 minus y2 minus y3 bracket close, then plus your x2 again bracket open, that is of your y3 minus your y1 bracket close, and your plus x3 bracket open, your y1 minus your y2. It is little lengthy, but the formula is very clear. It can be easily learned. So you can see x1 then bracket plus x2 then bracket plus x3 then bracket. Inside the bracket we will start with 2, y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, y1 minus y2. So now we will put the values in this. So you can see here that putting values values of x1 is what is equals to 2 comma x2 is what your negative 1, your x3 what is what x3 is your 2. Now your y1 is what your 3 comma y2 is your 0 comma, and your y3 is what your negative 4. So we are value in the above formula. Now we will see here. So here we have enough space. Therefore, your area of triangle is equals to 1 upon 2 bracket open. What is x1? Tell me what is x1? 2.
So two.
Very good.
The two.
Your x1 is your 2. Bracket open. Now you have here 0 minus again bracket open negative 4 bracket close. Now we will make it a curly bracket so that you can have a clear idea. After that add. Now x2 we have here negative 1. So I have taken your negative 1 here. Then again curly bracket I have started, so that we have here the next digit your negative 4 minus again your 3. Why? Because 3 is your y1. It is correction. Your we have here y1. So y1 is 3. Yes, y1 is your 3. Curly bracket closed. It is clear. Now again plus your x3 we have to write. So x3 is your 2. Again we have to open the bracket. So I am going to use curly bracket. That is of your 3 minus 0. It is of your y1 minus y2. Curly bracket closed and then bar bracket closed. Now it is little lengthy, but it is very easy. Now you can see 1 upon 2 will be remain same. Now we will operate this inside. So here obviously 2 will be there, and if you will open it, it will be 0 plus 4 is equals to 4 only. We will have 4. Then plus, then we have a negative 1 here. Now it will be open, then it will become your what? 7. You can see what 7 it will be of your positive negative 7. So it is inside your curly bracket you will have negative 7. Now plus your 2 is outside, and inside you will have 3 only, because 3 subtracted by 0 will be 3 only. Now we will multiply the digits. So you will have here 4 2 times is equals to 8. Now here if you will multiply these two values, 7 one time is equals to 7, so it will be positive 7 will come out, and through 2 3 times equals to your 6 will come out. So we have here, now if you will add this, then you will get here your 1 upon 2 and the multiplication 7 3 ja 21. It is 7 3 ja 21. So your area of triangle triangle. Triangle is equals to 21 upon 2 square units units square units. You got the area. So once again I am going to let you know. You just see here from the top we are having a question that is of your question number 1. 3 vertices were given and we have to find out the area of the triangle. So first of all we have taken one triangle that A, B, C and assume that A is 2, 3, B is -1, 0 and C is 2, -4. The formula of area of a triangle is half bracket open bar bracket we have taken x1 bracket open y2 minus y3 bracket close plus x2 bracket open y3 minus y1 bracket close plus x3 bracket open y1 minus y2 bracket close and again bar bracket close. Now we have a values putting the values of x1 x2 x3. So x1 is value is 2, x2 value is -1, x3 is your 2, y1 y2 y3 we have kept the values and these values are put into the same formula. So here because the numbers are negative and it should be subtracted. For example, this y2 minus y3. Suppose y3 is also a negative number here. y3 is our -4. So we have to write in this curly bracket and small brackets, bar brackets. After calculation, we will have here 21, 1 and 21 here. It is clear? Now recorder is on. You can see here that we will take 3 points P, Q and R. So first of all, I am going to take let P I have taken 7, -2, comma I have taken Q is equals to 1 and I have taken R is 3, K. It is clear? These are the vertices of a triangle. So to explain you, I am just going to make a simple triangle here. That is P or 7 upon -2. I have taken here Q and taken here R. So Q is our 5.5, 1 and R we have here that is of your 3, K. Now you see that it is given that the points are collinear. We have given in the question. So given points we are collinear. If they are collinear, therefore we have your AREA, area of a triangle PQR. If the points are collinear, that means area of a triangle PQR will be 0. It is clear? It is written that points are collinear, but points are collinear. If points are collinear, that means points are like this. Points are like this. It is P, Q and R. So if they are collinear, that means inside there won't be any area or area of a triangle will be 0. So we will put the value formula of that. That is of your area of a triangle. Area of your triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 bar bracket that is x1. Now we have your y2 minus y1 bracket close. If you want, you can say the formula. The next step in this, what value will come? x2, very good. Bracket open.
x2 minus
Your y1 minus y3, very good. Plus your x3 bracket open y3 minus y1, very good beta. For one first time, that means in one time you have remembered the formula. So you know this thing. We have here, we have already we have your x1 is equals to your 7, your x2 is equals to your 5 and your xt is equals to your 3. y1 is equals to -2 and your y2 is equal to 1 and your y3 is equals to your beta. If you are going to open, you just close your mic, otherwise my voice will be echo in your system. It is clear? So you can write by putting PUTTING, putting values we have here, VHA we have. You can see that area area of triangle PQR, we are going to put the value 1 upon 2. Your x1 you just simply put your x1 is what? Your bracket open your 7, that is of your 1 minus k, plus then you see 5 5 and your k plus 2, and you have your 3 bracket open negative 2 and negative 1. It will be equals to 0. That means the area of a figure is given 0 here. So you have 1 upon 2, obviously 1 upon 2, and if you will operate this, then you will get 7, the same digit you will get, and 2 I am going to send this side, so it will be 2. So this won't be negative k, then this is 5, your k plus 2, there is no operation. It can be operated, that is 3 2 times is equals to 6. It is your 3 2 times is equals to negative 6 and negative 3, so it will be your negative 3 and negative 6 will be of your negative 9 you will get here. Now this 2 is going, oh, you can see here now, this 2 I am going to send this side, so again it will be 0 and we have only your 7, that is your 1 minus k plus your 5, that is of your k negative k positive 2 and your plus your negative 9. Now we will operate these values also. You can see your 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9. If you are going to operate it odd, so you can see that here 9, 10 and 7, 17. So 10 and 7, 17. 17 minus 9, it will be of your 8. Then your 5 2, it is your 2k, and this becomes 0. It is going to be 0. So your, you can write like this, 8 is going to become this side, so 8 is equals to negative 2k. So obviously your k can be equals to 8 upon 2, both side negative will be cancelled, it will be equals to your 4. So you can write here your, thus the required, the QURIED required value, VALUE value of k is equals to 4. मतलब अगर k की जगह पे 4 लिखोगे, then the lines will be equals to, lines are collinear, that means the 3 points are collinear points. It is clear? So in this you can see, first of all, the given information, from the given information we will make a one. Simply I have drawn it. I am going to write PQRS, so we will write here, I am going to write it is A, B and C and D quadrilateral ABCD. Vertices of ABCD are given here, that the vertex of this is given, you have negative 4 comma negative 2. Vertex of B are given your negative 3 comma negative 5 given to you, that is of your 3 comma negative 2, and vertex of D is given 2 comma 3. So it is very clear to you. You can write also here, let, you can write here, let your P negative 4 comma 2 comma, then your Q is equals to, oh correction, your A is equals to this, we have taken B is equals to, I have taken B is equals to negative 3 comma negative 5. Now C I am having your 3 comma negative 2, and D part is your 2 comma 3. And we know one more thing, that the area of a triangle is equals to, so if we want to find out the area of this figure, so you can write here that your area of quadrilateral, area of your quadrilateral A B C D can be equals to your AREA, area of triangle ABD plus your triangle ABD, and you can write ABD, so you can write BDC. We can add these two triangles area to find the area of this. So I have taken ABD, so one line I am going to draw here like this. It is clear? So we will have an area of triangle, area of a triangle, suppose we are having area of a triangle is this green part, area of a triangle is this green part. It is clear? And area of a triangle we can find out by the area formula, area of a triangle formula. Then area of your BDC, area of a BDC is this part, red part. So if we are going to add this red part and the green part, automatically you will get the area of area of a complete figure. So we will start with the step number 1, that is of your area of triangle, your A, B and your D. Area of a triangle ABD. Formula, all of you, I think all of you know this thing, formula, that is of your 1 by 2 bracket open, it is what, x1, and it is started with x1, then it is your y2 minus y1 bracket close, again add your x2, that is of your y1 minus your y3 bracket close, then add your x3 bracket open, y3 minus y1 bracket close, and again bracket close. And the values, now I am not going to write the values. Obviously it is a1 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So if you want, I'll write. So we will have here, we have here your x1 is what? Your negative, x1 is your negative 4, comma, your x2 your negative 3, comma, your x3 is your 2. Now your y1 is equals to your negative 2, comma, your y2 is equals to negative 5, comma, your y3 is equals to your 3. Using using, using values, values in formula, formula, formula we have, we have. So formula is already written at the top. So we will use that area of your triangle A, B and D. Area of triangle ABD is what? Your half bracket open. Now you just tell me what are the values. That is of your negative 4, curly bracket I started, that is of your negative 4, that is your negative 5, and your negative, that is what? Y1. So Y1 is what? Minus Y1 is your negative.
Oh.
Hello, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what value will come. After that, putting the values, you will have here 1 upon 2, and the value, this will be of your bar bracket, that is negative 4 and negative 8. It is clear? Then plus we will have here negative 3 and your negative, oh sorry, directly 5, because the positive 5 will come, and your 2 is to be multiplied by your this negative 2 positive 5, so it will be positive 3. No problem, next step we will do. That is 1 upon 2, again bracket open, 8 4 times is equals to 32, negative 5 3 times is equals to 15. Then we have plus, this is 2 3 times 6, positive 6 bracket close. So it is 1 upon 2 and it is 23, which will be equals to your, if you are unable to see, let me know. Yes, now you have here, it is 23 upon 2 square UNITS units. This is our first triangle area. It is area of triangle your A, B and D. It is area of a triangle. Now we will see area of a triangle. This figure is at the top. Now again we will see area of triangle. Here we will have, are you able to see the screen? AREA, area of your triangle. What triangle we have chosen? That is BDC, area of triangle BDC. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
It is clear. BDC we are going to. Hello, are you listening? Sound is clear? So I am going to directly put the values, because formula 2 3 times we have already written here. So the x1, my s1 is 3. Now negative 5 comma negative 3 close. Then we will have your negative 3 and curly bracket, we will have your 3 minus, that is of your negative 2 close curly bracket, then open it. So 2 again curly bracket, we have here negative 2 close and your negative, then again negative 5 close curly bracket close and bar bracket close. It is clear? Now by operating the values, we will here, are you getting what I am telling you? This 2 will be of your negative 8. It is clear?
Yes,
Okay, now this is your negative 3 and the operation, it becomes your 5. It becomes your 5. Then plus 2, again bracket open. So it is your positive 5, negative 3. So it will be of your positive 3 only. It is clear? So close. Now you have here 1 upon 2 bracket open, 8 3 times is equals to negative 24. then your negative 5 3 times is equals to 15 plus 6 bracket close. So you will have here 1 upon 2 negative multiply by negative 33, which will be equals to your negative 33 upon 2. So area can't be negative. That means that negative value we have to ignore. So we will write here that we will ignore it. IGNORE, ignore negative value, negative SIGN sign. We will ignore the negative sign of this. It is clear. Then we will have, now after that, leave the one line. Again I am going to write the same thing, that is of your area of your quadrilateral ABCD is equals to AREA, area of triangle ABD plus triangle your BDC. Two triangles we are going to add the area. So this was your step number 2 and this was your area number 1. So you can see here in this that first area was your 23, that is 23 upon 2 plus the second was of your 33 upon 2. If we are going to add, this is in square unit, this is in square units units. So common will be 2. Obviously it is common, both we will add, it will be your 56 your square unit. Then the area is your 28 square units units. So this is your answer, 28 square units. So now you know how you can find out the